Hello YouTube, this is Dr. Solar coming to you from Lagos, Nigeria. So today we're looking at the SigEnergy 25 kilowatt inverter, and if you notice something, it looks just like the 8 kilowatt and looks like the 12 kilowatt which we have installed in the past. However, this is much bigger. It weighs slightly more than the 12 kilowatt. It has 4 MPPT. I'll show you some slight differences between it and the single phase inverters. The 25 kilowatt is a 3-phase inverter, so it's able to output 25 kilowatts. So divided by 3, it comes out a reasonable 8 point something kilowatt per phase. Do we have this on the other inverters? We do?
We do.
We have this on the other inverters, they say. And
we don't have that cap.
You don't have this one?
Yes, we don't.
Okay, we don't have this one on the other ones. And our voltage here could go to 1,100. We're limited to 650 on the single phase inverters. Is that correct? I'm asking you, is it correct? So here are major differences. So here, let me see. Here is our 3-phase connection. So we have 5 cables coming in here. And here is our PV1, 2, 3, 4. So it has that in common with the others. This is different. So there's some difference between this and the other one. I don't really know what this does, but we'll find out. The on and off, I didn't realize we had an on and off button, but there is right here. On and off button. And then our DC turn PV off. And then our PV 4 strings, 1, 2, 3, 4. Our 3-phase connection. And this is our communication to allow us to do gen start and everything else. So this is it. So this is Dr. Solar coming to you from Lagos, Nigeria. So now we're going to go look at the gateway, see what difference there between the standard gateway and the one we are going to install. This is inside of the 3-phase gateway. So this is the 3-phase gateway. And what's the major difference? You have multiple of these. So 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So here's your grid in, inverter out. This is inverter in, inverter out. And your backup loads. So which is when it says inverter. So if you turn, okay, so this is the grid to the inverter. And this is the grid into the house or into the gateway. Which one?
Into the gateway. So this grid into the gateway.
Mm-hmm.
This is the grid into the inverter. Then this is to the load. Okay,
so that's our load. And then when we do bypass, what does that mean?
So which means
we bypass the inverter.
We bypass the inverter itself. So
we don't have that in the other gateway.
No, we don't.
Okay, I'll go show you the other gateway so you could see a comparison between this one and that. The original basic gateway we have, you could see. Just grid, backup, and inverter. That's all you see. The other one has bypass, and if you notice, the breakers on that one are much bigger than this breaker. If you like what you see, give me a thumbs up. If you have subscribed, I thank you. If you're not subscribed, please smash the subscribe button. Once again, this is Dr. Solar coming to you from Lagos, Nigeria.